Good afternoon. It's Friday, 26th of May, and I'm up in the Fisherfields with Brian and Dave. It's 2 o'clock. We left Glasgow at 8 o'clock. Had a bit of a detour on the A9. I think there was a bad accident. We turned off at Aviemore, so it put us about an hour behind schedule. So I say it's 2 o'clock, and that's us heading up. The plan is to do 2 nights well camping, hopefully cover 1 Corbett and 5 Munros. That's the plan anyway. This is probably going to be the toughest test I've ever done in the mountains, so I'll do my best. I'll try my best, and hopefully by Sunday I'll be telling you how good it was. That's the plan anyway. So they're my two helpers there, Brian and Dave. They're carrying my carry out for the weekend.
And your rucksack.
Yeah. So this is a first for me. I'm up in the hills with no drink. I don't have any, well, I tell a lie. I've got a hit flask of whiskey, about 250ml in it. 250ml of whiskey. Jura I've got, that's it. That's it. These boys are carrying some wine. Good on them. Good on them.
He's got.
Good on them. So I will bring these back further along.
Brian says that would be.
This has been on the go for exactly 1 hour, and we've covered 2 miles. We're on this well-defined path. This is just the part of the walk-in. The walk-in takes you over to Cheneval Bothy, and the walk that we're going to do doesn't really start from there, so I reckon we'll get 4 miles to Cheneval Bothy, so we're 2 into it now. Not bad, everybody's in good spirits. Happy to be out. The weather's overcast. I checked the weather forecast yesterday. I think everywhere in the UK had blazing sunshine, apart from the northwest where we are. So don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It might be a good thing in a way, because hiking in that blazing heat takes it out of you. So at the moment conditions are ideal. It's overcast, it's cool, there's a nice wee breeze, so it's absolutely fantastic. I'll give a wee look down the glen where we just came from. There you go, that ain't too bad, eh? That's us at the top of the route into Cheneval Bothy. If you hear it's all downhill with that height we gained, we're going to lose it again, because I think we basically start from what we started at the other end. So I think we come up, is it 300 metres, and we're going to go back down 300 metres. I'll double check that. This is down onto the river crossing, the first river crossing of the day, before we start heading up the first Corbett, which is up there. The boys are up there, just crossing over the now. I'm just going to cross over here. We're on the go for about 2.5 hours to get to this point. Now the hard work's going to begin. We're going to get up and over this Corbett, and then we'll set up camp. That's the plan. How you doing, Dave?
Same as always.
Good.
1 foot in front of the other.
How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Oh my god.
Took it till I failed.
Aye, did you fall, son?
Just trying to break a bar of chocolate on my back.
I love that one. I love that one. That's us at the 300 metre mark. Going to take 5 minutes here. Take on a bit of chocolate. Get a drink. That's where we came from. Down here, the path. And that's where we came from when we come off the Sheneville Bothy route. So we came down this road down here. Picked up the GPX for the Fisherfield 6 and straight up here. So far so good. There's a nice wee breeze, keeping the midges away. The midges haven't been bad. Even at the car they were there, but they weren't bad, and that wee breeze has just kept them away while we've been walking. So I'll take 5 here, take on some fluids. We'll probably do the same at the 600 metre mark, and then we'll do the same at the summit. Then we'll get down after the summit and find a place to pitch. There's a couple of wee lock-ins I've got my eye on, so hopefully there's a nice wee flat bit there for us, the 3 years, to get our pitches set up. That clag just might be clearing off our first summit up here, up this way. We're currently at the 500 metre mark, so we're nearly halfway. The next bit looks steep, so I think we'll go up pretty quick. That's us, 600 metre mark, and the views are starting to open right up. We come up that path way there this morning, right down the path in there, blah blah, and then straight up. So views starting to open up a wee bit now. Saw a bit of clag hanging about the higher tops, but it looks as if it's going to clear. I hope it's going to clear. But we'll see how we go. So far so good. Everybody's sort of doing okay now. It'll be better once we get up out of this, get the tent set up, get dinner on. That'll be my first priority, tent up and then dinner. But aye, so far so good. Right, we're at that moment in the hike when you come to a slab of rock like that. That's impassable. How are you going to do that? Get a wee pan round. But I reckon we'll maybe just be able to zigzag our way through the rocks and get ourselves up. It looks pretty steep, but we'll gain good height. That's a good thing about it, we'll gain good height. I've found a wee bit of a path here. It's certainly making life a lot easier than coming through that hair. Very faint path, but I see we're nearly there. I think about 150 metres from the summit. And I think I've been on this path for the last 50 metres. So, all good. Heavy breathing. But smiling. Check the views out. That clag is slowly but lifting. Slowly lifting it is. summit today. These are 360 guys. This is something else. These are the remotest mountains in Scotland. Wow. Check that view out there. That's the first thing done. The guys are a wee bit behind. I don't know where they are. I don't know where they are. Well, it's 7:25. We've got a few hours of light anyway. At least we've got light on our side. We're going to drop down into the Beelac and set up camp for the night. That's the plan. That'll be Munro. That'll be our first Munro here. That must be Ben Tarshan over there, because I can see the tennis court. I must swing round this way. Wow. Check that wee glint of sunlight. Wow. Amazing. There's Brian coming. What's Dave? There's Brian coming now. So that's Brian and Dave on the ridge, en route to the summit. It's cold. I'm starting to get cold now. There are the lads coming down the boulder field. There's the pitch for the night. Still set up my bed set up, dinner on. That is the plan. Sweet and sour chicken with rice, that's on the menu tonight. Yeah, that's me in my tent, just waiting on the water to boil. It's 10 to 9 at night. I'm looking forward to getting this dinner. I'm absolutely starving. So, I've had to dub up the door because the rain's on. It's just spitting. So hopefully it doesn't come to nothing. Here we go. I've been looking forward to this all day. Sweet and sour chicken with rice. Oh, it's good, it's really good. Oh, I need this, I need this. I'm going to have a wee dram as well. My wife bought me this hip flask for my 30th birthday. It's been through the wars, it's dent, it's bashed, but it's filled to the brim with Jura. I'm going to have a wee sniff there now. Cheers guys. That's my setup for the night. I'm in the Lancashire 1. And here I've got my foil mat, got my ice bed down mat, I've got my ice flame quilt, and I've got my Decathlon helium pillow. So it should be quite comfy in there tonight. That's a wee look where we are. That'll be tomorrow's target. Oh, no bad here, in a wee dip. So I'm missing most of the wind. Peanuts and whiskey.